No, there is no, that's what I told you, unconditionally, no condition at all. They came and support the MDA government. Because why? I think they already see during these last 4 years the performance of the MDA government. See, I'm telling you right now, they are under suspension. Since they are under suspension, the question of merging does not arise. They will not, they are all elected representatives, they know the rules, they know the act. So therefore, the moment the suspension order came out means they are with Congress, they are still with Congress, and they will not move out from that. And number three, they cannot even merge to any party at this present situation.